You already, man, it's your boy, FY Forever Young. QB the Don still out here walking my pits, man. I got two of Magic, here Purple Ribbon, and I got, that's him right there, that's Magic, and I got Smokey, here Blue. We out here running, come on! I'm gonna let y'all see something. They like to chase birds, especially Magic. Watch it. He gonna go get him one in a minute. He'll catch him and eat him, bite on him. There you go. Come here. Good boy. Sit. For all y'all that don't know, pit bulls are good dogs. If the owner is good, you know what you're doing with them. Hey, come here. Sit. Good boy. FY, boss.